A surprising side effect to being obese is that it can actually protect the heart in people who already have heart disease. For these few rare individuals, they tend to live longer and do better than thin people with the same heart disease. Known as a paradox, it appears to be the result of a combination of the impact on an obese person's fat cells and their metabolic functions. This is a relatively new development and little is known about the exact causes or reasons. Researchers guess that since the person is already overweight, then their body is used to working harder to fight off diseases. They have more reserves stored up, so they have a better chance at fighting off the disease. It is also speculated that since these people are more out of shape than their skinnier counterparts, they are more prone to showing symptoms earlier, which leads to an earlier diagnosis. Though obesity is known to be the leading cause of high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, diabetes, and heart disease, these people show a less likelihood of having heart attacks or strokes. Doctors are quick to point out that gaining weight is not the answer for thinner people though. The protective factor comes into play with overweight and obese people who have been like that for a long period of time. If a thin person were to suddenly gain a lot of weight, it would have adverse effects and be more likely to cause health issues for them. In either case, it is still recommended that obese people try to lose weight for the benefit of their hearts. The more weight they can lose, the better it is for their heart. They are also more likely to exercise more, which in turn exercises the heart and makes it stronger. They just have to remember not to overdo it. People who are able to make the changes necessary to eat healthier, exercise more, and lose some weight, can reduce their risk of developing heart disease. It is a growing trend in America that our waistbands are expanding. Instead of advances in health care extending our lives, our expanding waistlines are cutting them shorter. Researchers are trying to isolate the gene that causes obesity so that it can be stopped from ever beginning. If they can find this gene, they may also be able to find a cure and help those that already afflicted with obesity. Another possible benefit would be isolating why being overweight can protect the heart, consequently leading to finding benefits for everyone with heart diseases, regardless of size. No matter what size their patients are, doctors should always recommend a change in diet and exercise. This has been proven as a beneficial treatment for everyone. 30 to 40 minutes of activity a day is recommended. People also have to start limiting their intake of salt and bad fats that are all found in processed and convenience foods. Adding fresh fruits, vegetables, leaner proteins, and whole grains helps everyone maintain better heart health.